Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down till you see Storage, which is for me right over here, and from Storage tap on your SD card. Now this will open up the SD card itself, and from the card you can actually tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to actually format it. So let's tap on Format, and this will bring up the message that formatting will remove basically everything from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, well, then back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you don't want to do it, or you have already done it, then tap on Format SD card. The process will begin, and it's really quick. It only takes like 5 to 10 seconds, and it should give us right about now the, there we go, Done option, and well, you're completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.